how do you use the content if you get anything from the principals for the manufacturing companies? Do you ask for something, or is it them actually sharing with you and then you get creative and then share it on, on your platforms?
That's a great question. So it depends. Some principals are very good about monthly sending out content for us to redistribute to our customer base, right?
Yeah.
Some principals have need help in that area. And so in some cases, we've actually developed content for them so that they can redistribute out to their customer base. And so what I found is, as a rep company, we're more than just that relationship to the customer. We have to be a marketing arm for them as well. And, when we begin those relationships with customers, or with principals, we try to understand that, because that, relates to the amount of work that we got to do for that principal to market their product.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Special Edition about modern marketing for manufacturing companies and manufacturing reps. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcasts. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sannah Vinding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannahvinding.com, or check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning.